People should want to get rich because they want to be financially secure, not because they want to be famous or live in luxury. A seven-figure net worth is possible if you start young and learn good money habits. With the help of people who know a lot about money, we've come up with 6 ways to become a millionaire. The advice is very simple, but it's hard to do what it says. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Develop a written financial plan. Saying that you want to be rich won't help you get there. You must come up with a plan that will work. Write it down and then put it into action. The written plan makes you do something. Figure out how much money you need to make and how to invest it. The plan isn't just the goal. It's the whole thing. The dream, the goals, and the options. The options require scenario planning, or thinking of all the ways you can reach your goal, like opening a Roth IRA or putting money into a 401k. Number 2. Get into the habit of saving. To save money, you have to put your own finances first. So when you save money, think of it as paying yourself first. By making saving money a priority, you increase the chances that your financial future will be stronger than your financial present or past. Start by putting money into an emergency savings account, so you don't have to use your other savings and investments to pay for a big expense that comes up out of the blue. Save at least half of every pay raise you get. Check out your options for saving to make sure you get the most out of your money. Also, use the money in your retirement fund. Fill up your 101k to the limit and put any extra money into an IRA or Roth IRA. Diversifying your savings is key to getting the most out of what you put in. If you have a long way to go before you retire, look for investments that grow, like stocks, to help your nest egg grow over time. Number 3. Live below your means. Buying the big house or driving a very expensive car is too expensive if it means you can't save or invest as much money. This is one of my favorite money sayings, says Hamrick. Too many people, or consumers, are taught or let themselves think that their self-worth is tied in some way to the things they own. Hamrick gives a different way to think about things. He says, "But wouldn't we rather have people admire our creativity and ability to build wealth than our spending? Our financial success will depend a lot on how we handle our money, not on how much we spend." People who want to be financially secure and want to become millionaires are less likely to waste money on expensive cars and vacations, and they won't buy a house that is too expensive for their budget. Number 4. Stay out of debt. It is better to pay yourself than to pay a bank or credit card company. Debt is your enemy. When you are in debt, it is hard to make progress towards securing your financial future because you have to pay your taxes and your debts before you can use any of your money for yourself. Fleury says you should stay away from dumb debt like credit cards, car loans, and most student loans. Pay off all of your credit card bills and keep just 1 or 2. Try not to put anything on your card that you can't pay off in 2 or 3 months. Fleury says that debt holds people back. They buy debts and have to pay for them forever. Number 5. Invest in ways that work for you. It doesn't take much money to start investing. Open an account with a mutual fund company that has funds with no upfront fees and low costs. You can also invest your money in the stock market by using an online broker like TD Ameritrade or E-Trade, which don't charge commissions for online stock trades. If you have enough money to buy property, you might want to think about investing in it. By renting out a property, you can make more money and benefit from the increase in the property's value. Don't put all of your money into one thing. Diversification, or having many kinds of investments, lowers risk and makes the ride smoother. Stick with the basics. A mix of stocks, bonds, cash, and real estate, not what your friends are doing. Everyone has a different situation. Most of the time, your employer's retirement plan is a good place to start. It has automatic contributions, so you can invest without worrying about what's going on in the world today. If you want to add to your investments or make them more diverse, look into ways to make passive income, like renting out a property or lending money to other people. Putting your money into different types of assets helps you get through storms, floods, and the calm times in between. If you build a diversified stock portfolio, you can expect your equity investments to earn 10% a year over the long term. Number 6. Start your own business. In their book, The Millionaire Next Door, The Surprising Secrets of America's Wealthy, authors Thomas Stanley and William Danko say that 2/3 of millionaires are self-employed, and most of those people are entrepreneurs. The authors say that most millionaires have worked for a long time, lived on less than they made, saved money, and make smart investments. Most of the country's wealth comes from business owners. In 1984, less than half of the Forbes 400 list of the richest Americans were self-made millionaires. By 2018, 67% of the list was made up of Americans who had made their own money. So that's it for today. Was this video helpful? Share your views in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.